Hello, good day everyone. So welcome back to my channel, and so this is like a tutorial on the moly tote bag. Remember, the city tote bag is a trending tote bag, so I thought to try out the moly tote bag and see what it turns out like. So I'm actually using a material that's not so much. I was trying to make do of what I have. So as you can see, I have like a width of 11 inch. Yeah, a width of 11 inch, and the length is around 9 inch. Yes, around 9 inch. Pardon, maybe my camera is going to be moving slightly. I was holding the camera by myself. I didn't have someone to do that for me, so I got two of that 11 by 9 inch, and then I went on to cut like the base separately. So you know the regular city bag tote bag comes with the front, the base, and the back all in one, like measurement and cut. But in this case it's different, like I said, because I do not have so much material, and okay, I just wanted to do like a mix or something. So after cutting that out, we really do not need so much on this particular tote bag. So after cutting that, I went on to cut the strap. Of course, it has to come in a shorter strap and a longer strap. So I went on to cut the longer strap, sorry, the shorter strap, and which is, I used the measurement of 24. You can use something longer, you can use something shorter, depends on what you want for the strap. So but for the sake of this, I used 24, as you can see. And I had to cut it into 4 because my material is not so thick and I wanted the hand to be a bit sturdy, So I went on to cut, as you can see, 24 inch. I had to cut 2, so which means I'm going to be sewing 2 in 1 to get something a bit thicker. So yep, that's that for the cutting. And as soon as you're done with, I think that's basically it, everything that you need, and then a longer strap, which you can cut later. So I was done cutting that out, as you can see. So we have, so I'm going to be sewing these two in one together, and sewing the other one to get our front and our back shorter strap. That is the strap that you can actually place over your shoulder. All right, so because I want to also add like a buckle to my strap, I went on to cut something very small that would accommodate the size of buckle I have at hand, and which is that. And that's basically all.